Welcome! Today, we'll learn how to unlock the taskbar in Windows 11. This step allows for greater flexibility with your apps. First, right-click on any empty space on the taskbar. A menu will appear with various options. From the menu, look for Taskbar Settings and click it. This takes you to the customization options. In the Settings window, find the Lock the Taskbar option. This is where it all happens. Uncheck the box next to Lock the Taskbar for unlocking. You're nearly there. Congrats! Your taskbar is now unlocked. Customize it to suit your style. Remember, unlocking the taskbar allows you to reposition and move icons freely. To lock it again, simply repeat these steps and check the box. Explore other settings for a personalized layout. Dive into your preferences. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your newly customized taskbar experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Windows 11. See you next time for more exciting tech tips. Happy customizing!